turn right heading 090, Qantas 674.
Qantas 674, when ready, descend of 5,000, expect a left turn for the localizer at 5 miles.
Descend to 5,000 and we'll stand by to capture the localizer, Qantas 674.
Qantas 674, turn right, heading 190, make a pilot intercept of the 16 localizer, report established.
190 and we're clear to capture localizer for 16, Qantas 674.
1,000 to go.
Qantas 674, descend to 3,000, you're cleared for Alice approach runway 16.
Descend to 3,000, we're clear for Alice approach 16, Qantas 674. Okay!
Golden approach identified, climb
Golden hour landing in Melbourne.
Qantas 674, contact tower 120.5.
120.5, thank you very much and have an excellent weekend, Qantas 674.
Qantas delay, just too many aircraft in the same area.